Hello guys, see this, the pipe is low and it's draining already, but it's not washing, it's draining already. The water is getting in the machine, and the pipe is draining, it's not washing. You see, it's not washing. But now I'm going to place the pipe a little bit high, yes. Let's see how it goes. Normal. It was 59 minutes. It was 59 minutes and the water is just running out. You see, now it's washing. It's washing because I placed the draining pipe a little bit high. So here's the trick. You mustn't leave it too low. Okay. IBubble, HISENSE, 14 kg. It's washing now. It's washing now. It's all about the draining pipe. Just place it a bit high, not too low. Otherwise you'll be wasting your washing powder and water.